Vietnam, officially the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, is a country in Southeast Asia, on the Japanese edge of mainland Southeast Asia, with a place of 311,699 square kilometers and populace of 96 million, making it the world's 15th maximum populous country. Vietnam borders China to the north, Laos and Cambodia to the west, and shares maritime borders with Thailand via the Gulf of Thailand, and the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia through the South China Sea. Its capital is Hanoi and biggest town Ho Chi Minh City. Vietnam was inhabited by the Paleolithic Age, with states set up inside the first millennium BC at the Red River Delta in cutting-edge day northern Vietnam. The Han Dynasty annexed northern and central Vietnam beneath Chinese rule from 111 BC, until the First Dynasty emerged in 939. Successive monarchical dynasties absorbed Chinese impacts via Confucianism and Buddhism, and elevated southward to the Mekong Delta, conquering Kampa. The Nguyen, the closing imperial dynasty, fell to French colonization in 1887. Following the August Revolution, the nationalist Viet Minh under the leadership of communist innovative Ho Chi Minh proclaimed independence from France in 1945. Vietnam went through prolonged conflict within the 20th century. After World War II, France returned to reclaim colonial power within the First Indochina War, from which Vietnam emerged successful in 1954. The Vietnam War started quickly after, during which the kingdom was divided into Communist North supported by the Soviet Union and China, and anti-Communist South supported with the aid of the USA. Upon the North Vietnamese victory in 1975, Vietnam reunified as a unitary socialist country beneath the Communist Party of Vietnam in 1976. An useless deliberate economy, a change embargo by way of the West, and wars with Cambodia and China crippled the country further. In 1986, the Communist Party of Vietnam initiated economic and political reforms similar to the Chinese economic reform, transforming the country to a market-oriented economy. The reforms facilitated Vietnamese reintegration into global economy and politics. A growing country with a lower middle earnings economic system, Vietnam is one of the quickest growing economies of the 21st century, with GDP anticipated to rival developed countries with the aid of 2050, no matter high levels of corruption, censorship and a negative human rights document. The United States of America ranks the various lowest in international measurements of civil liberties, freedom of the clique and freedom of faith and ethnic minorities. It is a part of worldwide and intergovernmental establishments along with the ASEAN, the APEC, the CPDPP, the Non-Aligned Movement, the OIF, and the WTO. It has assumed a seat at the United Nations Security Council 2 times.